You are welcome to Susan Academy. Today we are going to take a look at Jamb Utme 2019 Mathematics question 36. The question says, if 5 raised to power x plus 2y is equal to 5 and the 4 raised to power x plus 3y is equal to 16, find s raised to power 3 plus y. A 0, B 1, C 3, D 27. May looking at this question, you don't need to be told that you must apply law of indices because 5 has been raised to power this. Are you there? This is just like telling you 5 raised to power any number, because x and y can be any number. It's not true. It's not true. Let's assume that x is 1, y is 2. That means at the end you have 2 plus 2, 1 plus 4, right? 5. So this is as good as saying 5 raised to power what? 5. So it's nothing but what? Indices. So you apply law of what? Indices. And as you apply law of indices now, 2 equations have been given to you. That means you may end up having 2 equations, and you may end up going to simultaneous equation because you find x and y simultaneously. Is it clear? So you start from normal law of indices and get down to what? Simultaneous what? Equation for you to find what? X and y. That is the only thing you need to do. Then after finding x and y, you substitute the values here and raise 3 to that power and get your answer. Simple. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now let's go to law of indices. Remember, in the law of indices, remember that when maybe say when two powers have the same what? Basis. Are you there? When 2 powers have the same basis, they are equal. Let's assume you have, let's say that you have b raised to power x is equal to b raised to power y. Are you there? This will cancel. X is what? Equal to y. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, this is what we will do here now, and get solve for x and y. So now let's establish the first equation. The first equation says 5 raised to power what? X plus y, 2y, right? Is equal to what? 5. Are you aware that this 5 here is the same as saying 5 raised to power 1? True of us. So that means 5 will do what? Cancel 5. We are left with what? S plus what? 2y is equal to what? 1. So this is our equation what? 1. Is it clear? Any question so far? Now let's go to the next one. 4 raised to power x plus what? 3y is equal to what? 16. Are you also aware that 16 is suggesting as saying 4 raised to power 2? True of us? Because we want to put it to be in the same base with this 4, so we can equate their powers. Is it clear? So that means we can replace it with what? 4 raised to power what? 2. So that means 4 will do what? We are left with what?
3.
It's equal to what? 2. So we have what? S plus what? Is equal to what? 2. Equation what? 2. You can solve this in so many ways. You can solve it by substitution. You can simply say since x plus y is equal to 1, you can make s a certain formula here. It becomes 1 minus 2y, and we substitute here and get our answer straight. You can use that method if you want. If you don't want, you can subtract this second equation from the first equation and still get the same result. Is it clear? Is it clear? So let's Let's subtract. Are you there? Let's subtract. Let's go. 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Is it clear? 2y minus 53y is what? Minus what? Y. Is it clear? This one of this is what? 0. So it's insignificant. So that means minus y is equal to what? Minus 1. That means minus can cancel minus, right? Y is what? 1. So we can, with this now, we can substitute y in any of the equations and get our x. We can substitute y if you put y here. If we substitute 1 for y in equation 1, it becomes what? X plus what? 1 is equal to what? 1. That means x plus 2 is equal to what? 1. X is equal to what? 1 minus 2, which is what? Minus 1. Is it clear? Even if you substitute it here now, if you put 1 here, it becomes what? 3. X plus 3 is equal to what? 2. That means x is equal to what? 2 minus 3. And 2 minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 1. So that means x is equal to what? Minus 1. And y is equal to what? Y is 1. Y is what? 1. So wherever we see x, we put what? Minus 1. And wherever we see y, we put what? 1. So now let's go back to our what? Question. We have already found what we calculated for y, x and y, right? So let's substitute x and y in this here now. It becomes what? 3 raised to the power x plus y is equal to what? 3 raised to the power what? X is what? Minus 1. Y is what? 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is what? 0. That means this is equal to what? 3 raised to the power what? 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is what? 1 is what? 1. So the answer is what? 1. B. Any question? Any question? No question. So the answer to Jamb Utme 2019 Mathematics question 36 is B. 1. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Thank you for watching our online lectures. For lecture updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name is Susan Limited. Just click on the red button and click on the bell by the side so that you'll be among the first people to receive notification whenever we upload a new video. Please like and follow us on Facebook. The name is Susan Limited. If you have any question, please connect with us on WhatsApp. These are our WhatsApp numbers. Please visit our website. The address is susanlimited.com. You have a lot to learn. Please share this video, like and comment. Thank you for your support. God bless you.
Admission. 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 Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician EENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School EENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhD) is located at ENU Mission Hospital, Agidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803 708 1512, 0813 868 2003, 0803 267 5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.